In this video, we'll discuss part 4 of the top 5 business machines you can buy and start generating income easily, whether you are a beginner, entrepreneur, or business owner looking to venture into other businesses. Then this video is for you. 1. Paper cup making machine. A paper cup making machine is used to produce disposable paper cups for beverages. A paper cup making business can be highly lucrative due to the increasing demand for disposable and eco-friendly products. Paper cups are widely used in various industries, including food and beverage, catering, and events. Machine can be used to manufacture paper cups for hot and cold beverages such as coffee, tea, water, and soft drinks, which makes them a viable, profitable venture for commercial and retail supply, hence supplying paper cups to cafes, restaurants, fast food chains, and retail stores. Machine can create custom-designed paper cups for branding and promotional purposes. Able to manufacture biodegradable and recyclable paper cups to meet environmental standards and consumer demand. Machine allows for the production of various cup sizes and designs, catering to diverse customer needs. High demand for disposable cups in various sectors ensures a steady market for produced goods. Paper cup making machines are essential for efficiently producing high-quality disposable paper cups. They offer numerous benefits, including high productivity, consistent quality, cost-effective production, and the ability to meet diverse market demands. Investing in these machines can provide significant economic opportunities for businesses, allowing them to capitalize on the continuous demand for disposable cups in the food and beverage industry and other sectors. Machine prices start from $5,000. 2. Automatic multifunction liquid filling and capping machine. The automatic multifunction liquid filling and capping machine is used to automate the filling of liquid products into bottles or containers and subsequently capping them. This type of machine is crucial in industries like pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, cosmetics, and chemicals. These machines offer efficiency, accuracy, and consistency in filling and sealing containers with liquid products, capable of filling and capping hundreds or thousands of bottles per hour. This machine reduces the need for manual labor, which increases productivity. Machine ensures consistent and accurate filling volumes, minimizing waste, and maintains uniformity across all filled bottles. Machine is suitable for various types of liquids, from thin to thick viscosities, and can handle various container sizes and shapes. Sanitary design that meets industry hygiene and safety standards, especially critical for food and pharmaceutical products. Machine prices start from $10,000. These machines offer numerous benefits, including high productivity, precise filling and capping, versatility, and cost savings. Investing in these machines can significantly enhance production efficiency, reduce operational costs, and ensure product quality, making them a valuable asset for business. 3. The laser cleaning machine. Laser cleaning machines are becoming increasingly popular in various industries due to their efficiency, precision, and eco-friendliness. These machines use laser technology to remove contaminants, rust, paint, and other unwanted materials from surfaces. They are mostly in demand in auto repair industries, construction industries, power plants, among others. The machine generates a high-intensity laser beam through a laser source, typically a fiber laser, which is directed towards the surface to be cleaned using a series of optical components. Machine strips paint and coatings from various materials without damaging the surface, commonly used in restoration projects and maintenance. Machine can easily clean historical artifacts, monuments, and buildings, preserving their integrity while removing pollutants and corrosion. Laser cleaning is fast and efficient, often completing tasks in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Cleans delicate components and circuit boards without causing damage, improving performance and reliability. The machine price starts at $10,000. 4. Sock sewing machine. Sock sewing machine, also known as a sock knitting machine, is used in the textile industry to manufacture socks. Socks go beyond being a piece of cloth but a significant need to people's everyday lifestyle, which makes them have a high market demand. The machine automates the process of creating socks, which can include knitting, shaping, and even sewing parts of the sock together. Produce different types of socks, including dress socks, athletic socks, compression socks, and casual socks. Machine allows customization of socks with different patterns, colors, sizes, and designs according to market demands. Machine reduces labor costs and increases production efficiency, leading to cost savings over time. These socks can easily be supplied to other retailers or sold online. The price of these machines starts from $2,000. Investing in sock sewing machines can significantly enhance production capabilities and overall product quality, making them essential for investment. 5. Cotton candy making machine business. Cotton candy machine is used to produce cotton candy, a popular sugary treat enjoyed by people of all ages. Candy business is an enjoyable and profitable venture which can easily be established in fairs, festivals, amusement parks, birthday parties, shopping malls, schools, and other gatherings. Starting cotton candy business is very rewarding. It generates a passive income with a high markup with minimal costs. Cotton candy creates its own market easily since it attracts attention with its fluffy looks and is a favorite treat for both children and adults. Setting up stalls at local festivals, markets, and community events attracts large crowds. Can easily be sold online, candy in stores and supermarkets. Cotton candy is made from inexpensive ingredients, primarily sugar, allowing for high profit margins on each sale. Successfully start and grow your cotton candy business, bringing sweetness and joy to events and customers. Machine price starts at $2,000. So there you have it, the 5 money-making machines that you can buy and start making money from the yard of your home or garage. Tell us which machine you liked most. Share with us in the comment section which type of machine you want us to talk about and which one do you intend to buy if you were to start your business. See you in the next video. Adios.